Deleting a Cash Giraffe account removes your access to the account and stops you from using it for future rewards, so make sure you understand what happens before confirming the deletion. By the end, you'll know how to delete a Cash Giraffe account, what to check before removing it, and what to do if you cannot find the option. The first step is to open the Cash Giraffe app and check your account settings. Look for Account Management, Profile Options, or any section related to privacy and account controls. Before deleting your account, check your reward balance. If you have available rewards, review the app's withdrawal options first, because deleting the account may prevent you from accessing the account again. You should also check whether any active game offers or pending rewards are still connected to your account. Completing or resolving these items before deletion can help avoid losing access to unfinished progress. If the app provides a direct delete option, follow the instructions shown on screen. Account deletion may require confirmation before the process is completed. If you cannot find a delete button inside the app, check the Help or Support section. Some apps handle account removal through customer support instead of an in-app setting. When contacting support, include the email address or account information connected to your Cash Giraffe profile, and clearly request account deletion. Avoid sending unnecessary personal information that is not required for the request. After submitting a deletion request, check for confirmation from Cash Giraffe. Keep any confirmation message until you know the account removal process is complete. There are a few things to remember before deleting. Removing an account is different from uninstalling the app. Deleting the app only removes it from your device, while account deletion affects your profile and account access. If you only want to stop using Cash Giraffe temporarily, uninstalling the app may be enough. If you want your account removed, use the account deletion process instead. The main points are: check your rewards before deleting, use the account settings or support option to request removal, and confirm that the account deletion has been completed. Your next step is to open Cash Giraffe, review your account status, and follow the available deletion steps. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more app tutorials and reward app explanations.